Gearshifters, welcome back. In this video, I am exploring the roads around Sparta, North Carolina in the Blue Ridge Mountains on my way back from Galax, Virginia. I keep expecting anytime I come around like the crest of a hill for the pavement just to end. We got less than a mile to the next stop sign, so I think this is all going to be asphalt. We're going to take a left onto Glade Valley Road. That one is paved. A lot of these roads off of the Blue Ridge Parkway are not paved. They are for about 500 yards and then all of a sudden drop off to gravel. So that's what I was expecting. Yeah, this is a nice quiet road. Very little. I haven't seen any other cars. Fox Ridge Road detour. So I guess I have right away here. Nice. I'm happy. Yeah, so turn here. Then I go down to 21, which would be at the stop sign. That was super fun. I did not know what to expect. Well, I expected something quite different. It was fun. And then we're going to take this all the way to 18. So this is US 21. Even a gas station, so that's convenient. I don't need gas, but it's good to know. But we're going to be turning onto 18 in 2 miles. Tex-Mex, Riverside Latin food. All right, I got to come back to that. They're not open today, but it's a little river. Yeah, we're in Sparta. All right, I've been to Crave before. That's a really good restaurant. Been there a couple of times. Delicious food. I almost moved to Sparta. There was a house that I wanted to buy, could not agree on the price with the owner, and it didn't work out. So I had already decided I was selling my house and moving to the mountains. So I found the house that I did online on a Sunday, came and saw it on Monday and put an offer in. It turned out to be a much better move for me for a lot of reasons, but this is a little town of Sparta, North Carolina. It's beautiful. So I'm supposed to turn left here. I'm just going to go down a little bit, just drive through it all the way so you can see the little downtown. It's only a couple more blocks, but there's the courthouse. And there's a coffee shop, which is very sentimental to my family. Becca's Backwood Bean Cafe. Alright, we're just going to turn around here. I want to get back on 18. All right, turning off at 21 onto 18. And this is 18 South in North Carolina. I was here last week on 4 wheels when it was snowing. Thanks for watching. I'm headed home now. I hope that you enjoyed riding along with me to Sparta. My name is Jordan. I believe in gear shift and gratitude, and I am here every Friday to share my motorcycling adventures with you. If you haven't already done so and you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Thanks so much for watching.